Imagine living in a neighborhood where you feel like you're at a resort with your closest friends. That's what you get in the Hamptons at Ross Bridge. The home 2721 Montauk Road is conveniently situated in the neighborhood. It has access to many great amenities like community pools, wiffle ball fields, green spaces, sidewalks, restaurants, doctor's offices, and one of the most sought-after golf courses in all of Alabama. The community feel here is special, and this home offers you an opportunity to be a part of it. Let's take a look inside. As you walk in the home, you will notice the open floor plan, the high ceilings in the living room, and what's great is the kitchen flows right into the living room, so it makes entertaining a breeze. There are 2 bedrooms, including the master on the main level. The master easily fits a king-size bed with room to spare. As you step into the master bathroom, you'll see that the floor makes you feel like you're in a spa. It's relaxing, it's functional, you've got double sinks, you've got a bathtub, a shower, a toilet room, and a walk-in closet. Upstairs would be a fantastic kids zone. There are 3 sizable bedrooms and 2 full baths with spacious loft area where you could have a TV room, game room, and place to hang out. This home has it all. If you're curious for more information, click on the link in the description.